Hey guys, welcome back. I've been obsessing over Poli-Tape Htv and I partnered with them to give away their creative box to one lucky winner, so stay tuned because you don't want to miss out. I'm going to be using this free image I found on Cricut Design Space. I'm also going to upload a pennant image just for a size reference. I already have a template that I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to copy the size, pretty standard, 8.5 by 11. I want to fit the space as much as possible, and I'm going to add paper flowers to the top of it, so I think this is a good size. Remember, delete that, it's not free. Go ahead and make it. Don't forget to use the mirror button. This is very important when working with HTV or heat transfer vinyl. This is the color I'm going to be using. It's Rainbow White by Poli-Tape. It's a glitter vinyl. Also, when working with HTV, don't forget to put shiny side down. This is very important, guys. just adding the finishing touches. I think this turned out so cute, and the saying is perfect. She was born to create. This is definitely going to be hanging up in my craft area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. Now for the giveaway, rules are super simple. All you have to do is check out the description box down below for all the details. And I will see you guys in the next video.